Hello, my dear children. Welcome to English class of Class 3 CBSE. As you know that during previous days, we have already completed with the kinds of nouns, that is proper noun and common noun. So now, before we start with our new topic, let's check the answers. All right. First one, yes, Donald. Second one, David. Yes. Third one, Dr. Smith. Fourth, California. Fifth, United States. Sixth, Maria. All right. So these are the answers for a proper noun. Yes, for proper noun. So here it is done. So here you were asked to pick proper noun from the given words. So better you check your answer once again. Donald, David, Dr. Smith, California, United States, Maria. Be careful with spellings. Be careful with your handwriting also. Handwriting should be beautiful. Just be very careful with it. Now come to page 7. This is page 7. This is only meant to read. It's written, look at this table. You have to look at the table and you have to read. So girl, Rita. So what is the difference here? This is common noun and this is proper noun. So this is a list of common noun. This is a list of a proper noun which is related to this column. Girl, Rita. Boy, boy is a common noun, but when you mention the name, it becomes proper noun. All names are proper nouns. Just keep in mind, all names are proper nouns. So boy, common, when you write the name, it becomes proper noun. Yes. City, Kolkata. River, Ganga. Cat, name of cat is Kitty. Dog, Tommy. So this page is just for reading. No need to write. Just read 4-5 times. Just for a practice. Yes. Now again in the same page, if you see this page 7. So one question is given. You can read it from the book. And basically you have to circle proper noun and common noun. Alright. So 10 sentences are given here. Choose the correct answer as per the instruction given on the top. Circle the common noun. It is written in the same way. Proper noun you just read from the book and understand. Okay. And just read the sentences and do accordingly. Now circle the common noun means you have to circle. Right. In the same way proper noun to be underlined. So Gaurav and Arjun are brothers. Now you have to decide according to the instruction given here. I visited Sri Lanka last year. The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean. John saw tigers, elephants, and monkeys at the zoo. It is very hot in Delhi during May and June. Rome is one of the most beautiful cities in Italy. Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits: Peter, Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. Yes, Manya, my best friend, met me yesterday. Sumita helped the little boy cross the road. Among all flowers, I like marigold the most. As per the instruction, do it. Alright? You have done a lot of practice, so it should not be a problem for you. Right? Okay. Now come to page 8. Today you are going to do all these things because we have done already lot of discussions done. Now you have to practice it. So write two proper nouns against each common noun. One has been done for you. Again same thing, list of common noun and list of proper noun. Two names you have to give. One example you can see over here. Boy, two names are there, Amit, Ravi. Day, 2 days you have to write. You have already done 2 days, any name. City, two names of a city. Month, two names. And one more is there in the textbook, that is name of a pet. Just look at the book and do accordingly. Alright, so this is again a task for you. So this one you have to do 10 sentences as per the instruction. This one just to read at home, practice it, no need to write. This one you have to do, this is your assignment, page 7. This is your assignment, page 8. Alright, now this one is just an activity for fun. If you want to do it, otherwise not required. Whenever you are free, give a try. Common noun, proper noun. Alright, this is done by the small kids like you. During their free time, they just made it. It's a wall hanging. Give a try and just have fun. You can do one thing, you can just write it over here. If you are a boy, write boy, which is a common noun. And for this boy, write your name. If you are a girl, write girl and write your name here. Just a fun. So people will get to know that you have made. Alright? Yes. Now here you can see common noun and you have to name it. As I told you, all names are proper nouns. So here, if this is cat, give name here, then it becomes proper noun. Boy, give name here. Boy, you are going to write it over here, or girl. Then name, proper noun. Apple, apple is a common noun. So how you will make it proper? Varieties are there. Like Pink Lady is the name of an apple. Pink Lady. Macintosh, golden apples, red delicious, golden delicious. These are the names of apples. Okay. So in the same way, dog's name, dentist, you can write the name of the doctor. Fish, fish again names are there. Rohu, bluefish, boxfish, American soul, etc. So it's up to you. Not compulsory. If you happen to make, whenever you get time, do share in the group. Alright, so it would be a fun for everyone. So that's all for today's session. Hope you understood what you have to do the task, enjoy the task, have fun, stay safe and be fit and healthy. Bye bye.